And now there is another pack of equipment that this gentleman donated to me. I used to work for some clients in Mombasa who had this vet as their friend in Switzerland. So when he was retiring, he decided to donate some of the equipment to their vet who was in Kenya, and that happened to be me. So I'm very lucky. I was very, 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 very grateful he did that. You see, we have some equipment for dental work. These ones. See, this one, these ones, these ones, and for dental work. Very nice, really good. This one, but other tools as well. See, tissue retractors also. Yeah, quite a number of tools here. And also I got some intramedullary pins, as you can see these ones. Intramedullary pins. Yeah. Intramedullary pins. Quite a number of them. IM pinning is really good, but as you know, it is quite challenging because you really need to be extremely sterile. Otherwise, you end up with post pinning infection, post surgical infection. See, these are the ones that we have. An example of them that we have. Yes, that is what it is. Then let me put it back and then I'll show you the rest of the clinic.